he should be a worst offender, because they are dealing with such offenders. They are having complete knowledge about us, what could be the next reaction people will be taking up. So therefore, they take lesser amount of time to catch the culprit. Taxpayer can create artificial loss. This is what I was just telling as how artificial loss can be created. It dies. It's wrong actually. I will just make the correction. So their intent, please just don't read this, okay? I will explain. So artificial loss only to reduce total income, thereby tax liability. Are you clear? Please just don't read. Don't read means people start reading. I will make the correction. Don't worry about that. How to identify wash sales? So next thing people will be asking, sir, how do you know wash sales had happened? That is the reason. Even before this question had just come, I've told you, so they are not to be considered as dumb people. They are all very, very smart people. I'm telling you, very, very smart people. Yesterday, I had been to that University of Madras for transcript purposes. The person is just not looking into the name of the candidate. He is looking into the person who had signed that particular certificate. He knows where people commit mistakes. Very smart fellow he is. He could identify me even after just gone for 2-3 months later. Buys identical, substantially identical securities before or after 30 days of sale. Acquires a contract or option to buy identical security. These are the ways through which I have given you an example. No, that is the right example. Consequences of bond washing. I was just referring about a wash sales. No, that is what you call it as a bond washing. So such an amount of capital loss artificially created, will they be allowing? When the intention of the taxpayer is only to reduce the tax liability through these artificial sales and all that, they will strongly disallow. What is it then we will be doing? So that is going to be added. This loss will not be adjusted. The loss will be kept separately and the loss will be added to the subsequent purchase price that they are booking. Added to basis even if spouse involved and filing, it is if filing MFS. So now you can just go through the instance. Can you just read, Bharat?
No, once I'm just copying. Once. Correct.
Yeah, no problem.
Malcolm sells 800 shares of Quanta Corporation stock on December 4, 2022, resulting in a loss of $3,200. He regretted selling the stock, so on January 2nd, 2023, he repurchased 800 shares of Quanta stock through his online trading account. Because of the wash sales rules, all of the $3,200 loss is disallowed. You must add the disallowed loss to the basis of newly purchased shares. He cannot take the disallowed loss until he finally sells the repurchased shares at some later point, some later time.
Are you clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Other important points to be reckoned. If only a part is purchased, then pro rata is to be applied. See, when 1,000 shares were done and they have used for 800 for sale, then you apply for the balance. On a proportionate basis, you are expected to do it. But this bond washing and all that is not applicable to professional dealers of securities. Their main job is only to buy and sell. They will always be doing at all points of time. So you cannot be just taking their action as to match with that of a bond washing. Is that okay? Different securities dealt does not attract bond washing. Preferred stock is different from common stock because